Hi guys, good day sa inyong lahat. Today is September 9, 2023 at meron na namang auction dito. HMR Auto Auctions located dito sa Bicutan. Axie Compound Main Avenue, Bicutan. Okay. Ito yung mga ibibid na sasakyan. Chinek ko na yung catalog nila. Nakapag-bid deposit na rin ako. Bago kayo makapag-bid dito, kailangan nyo muna mag-bid deposit ng 20,000. Pero refundable naman yun pag wala kayo napanalunan. Tapos, nung chinek ko yung catalog nila, ang total na sasakyan na ibibid for today is 160. Ayan o, 160. Pag nag-bid deposit kayo, bibigyan nila kayo ng catalog. Tapos, pwede tayo mag-bid. 10 o'clock pa yung start ng bidding. So, meron pa akong time to check. Kasi hindi ako nakapunta rito before bidding. Meron kasi dyan, buong 1 week, pwede kayong pumunta rito mag-visit para mag-check ng sasakyan. So, hindi ako nakapag-check. Ngayon, inagahan ko para makapag-check muna ako. Titignan ko muna yung mga prospect kong units, okay? Ito ngayon guys yung mga ibibid. Napakarami, 160 units. Merong Nissan, ano ba to? Almera ba to? Expander, Mitsubishi Montero, Ford Everest, Innova, Montero ulit, Vios, ang dami. Chinek ko yung list, ang daming Vios, ang daming Mirage, Suzuki Zias, Hyundai Accent. Dami. Ayun, may mga van pa oh. NB350, may L300, Mitsubishi Mirage, EcoSport. Ayan, ito Vios. Marami rito guys, Vios. Tapos ito Suzuki. Ano tong Suzuki na to? Expander pa oh. Yan ha. Expander. Ito mami, makinis tong Expander na to oh. Ayan. So mamaya guys, malalaman natin kung magkano ang bidding price sa mga to. Walang presyo rito sa catalog. Walang presyo. Ang nakalagay lang dito is details. Tapos mamaya natin malalaman kung magkano yung mga presyo sa bidding na mismo. Okay? May Montero dun mami oh. 2, 3 na nga tayo nakita ko. Ayun pa, may mga Montero pa dun oh. Ito guys, so meron na namang Raptor dito. So ito, try ko. Tignan natin. Kaso wala na akong chance mag-check ngayon. Talagang visual inspection na lang. Yun yung Ranger na hindi na benta nung nakaraan. Kasi nung nakaraan 1.6 wala pang nagbibid eh. Ito Raptor. Tapos ito Montero oh. Montero. Mamaya pa malalaman guys ang presyo ha. Manual pala to. Manual na Montero. 7,000 kilometers pa lang oh. Ayos. Manual na Montero. Ay tama ba to? Wala naman. Makinis. Ito lang. Nagasgas yung kanyang ano. Pero bangga. Tsaka dents. Ito may mga scratches. Pero makukuha pa sa buffing to. Mga hairline scratches. Makinis naman. Ito Montero rin. Pero sinilit ko to kanina. Manual to eh. Manual na Montero. Guys, ngayon ang bidding nito ah. Ngayong araw na mismo. Ayun oh, 2,000 pa lang tinakbo oh. 2,459. Montero GLX manual transmission. Number 20 siya, so maabutan ko pa. Ito Expander, isa rin sa mga tinitignan ko Expander. GLS Sport, so malamang 2019 to. Nagsasalita na yung ano sa loob. Wala atang battery ito ah. Hindi lumabas yung mileage. Expander GLS Sport.
Thank you again for joining today's
nakakabit yung ano nyo, reserve tire. Ay, ito may tama siya.
Inform everyone that we do have a daily viewing period. We're open from Monday through Saturdays.
Medyo umangat na rin yung kanyang bumper.
Each auction event.
Nasagi siguro.
Period, we encourage everyone to
ito Innova. Ayan.
You can bring your own mechanic to check the condition of each of our units.
Innova.
Vehicles is sold on as is where is
meron siyang ano.
No warranties expressed or implied. It is the sole responsibility of the bidder.
Ilan kaya?
To a certain
mileage 56,000 guys oh. 56,000. Matic. Toyota Innova E.
Violations or apprehensions associated prior to the
Kami tama. Ayan. Kaya kailangan makapag-inspect kayo guys ha. Before kayo mag-bid.
Any bids after being declared as the winning bidder. Again, the winning bidder is not allowed to withdraw or cancel any
Ayan.
bids after being declared
Ito,
as
Montero
a
ulit.
bidder. A bid deposit of 20,000 pesos for 1 to 3 units.
Montero ulit.
For more than 3 units but not exceeding 7, a bid deposit of 100,000 pesos is required.
Ano, mami?
Auctioneer at its sole discretion may require additional bid deposits for more than 7 units. For provision number 15, at the time of payment, winning bidder must submit the auctioneer all requested forms, documents, and IDs
Kaso walang battery. Mamaya pa nila kakabitan yan.
Annex A
Nakalagay naman yan sa catalog
of
kapag
the bidder's agreement.
pagka walang
For
battery.
provision
Kaya
number
bansa.
21, winning bidder agrees and undertakes a face-to-face interview with the authorized representative. Meeting schedule must be arranged with the auctioneer for proper coordination with the consignor. The auctioneer also reserves the right to cancel any sale for non-compliance to the documentation requirements, and the auctioneer shall not be liable for any claims or costs arising from the cancellation of sale. Provision number 22, lot numbers 156, refund of deposits only upon submission of proof of transfer of ownership,
12,000 pa lang
and
siya.
submission of original copy of
12,000 kilometers. Ang ganda pa nung
issued
ano niya,
by the
panel niya.
auctioneer.
Tingnan nga natin.
Some pull-out guidelines. Complete requirements must be submitted and approved prior to pull-out. Processing time for documents is 24 hours upon complete submission. Cut-off for submission is 12 noon. All documents received after 12 will be processed the following business day. HMR will
Luwag ng
inform
ano,
the winning bidder
ang luwag
of the
ng
schedule of release of
engine
the
bay ng
venue.
XL7, no? Hindi mahihirapan ng mekaniko.
The auctioneer shall regulate the conduct of the auction. In all cases, the auctioneer
Malinis pa
has
yung
the sole
transmission
discretion
fluid
to
niya.
accept or reject a bid.
Ito maganda
All
nito, mami.
bids are
Suzuki
final
XL7.
and non-retractable. Unless
Ulit
there's
ng
a
battery
reason
niya,
to
oh.
suspend the auction,
Ulit ng battery.
HMR auction
Subject
activity
for
will
change
be
oil.
continuous. Auctioneer shall at no point be held liable for any losses or damage arising out
Ang
or
marami nito
result
guys,
from
mga
bidder sale will be
Mirage
due
tsaka
to
Bay,
an act of
napaka.
bidder including pulling of additional bid deposit. Specified buyer's premium in addition to the bid price applicable to all units in this list. Overall lot will pay strictly within 3 days following the completion of the auction with the absolute payment on September 13. Otherwise, bid deposit will be forfeited. There shall be no special payment for one
Ano yung
lot.
daming Mirage? Gaya na hindi accent.
File of our auction finance through our bank partner Union
Yeah,
Bank.
ito expired.
The application
Sabi
must
yan.
be accounted with 1 week for the auction schedule. This will have to be pre-approved to be able to use the city.
Nag-diis na natin. Nag-start siya.
L3 guys. Lagi may nagantang L3. Tama lang.
We also have city app. These are financing through
Ang mga issues na dyan, discretion kaya maganda makita ninyo. Para walang biglaan pagka kukunin yun. Nasa nyo agad may import. At saka hindi na-stop.
Please don't forget to submit your stocks. Okay, so have a good day again and happy week all.
Kasakot tayo, doon natin nalaman kung magkano yung presyo. Pero para makapag-vlog ako, doon ako sa labas. Mami ko mag-bibids. Okay, para na tayo.